Hello, welcome back. So this time around, I want to show you what more you can do with the dashboard. Okay, so it's pretty basic. If you are looking at from here, and if you click on any tile, it will take you to the report that contain that tile, and you can see quantity orders. Okay, if we go back to the dashboard, so let's say for example, uh, I click on these three dots. I want to add a comment to this very tile. I will click on add a comment and I will say add. So maybe Victor. Yeah. So I will say, please take note, something like that. And I will post. So you see as Victor, please. I can close this. And when Victor comes around, uh, you see this comments icon added already. Click on it and it will be able to pick the message. Okay. So that's one feature. One powerful feature I would like to show you is actually view insight. When you view insight, it will generate all the details around the order quantity ordered. So it's one very powerful addition from Microsoft. And you can see quantity by category. You are able to see all the quantity by category, uh, even generating more tile for you. Quantity by country, you see quantity by ship mode, etc., etc. All right. We can do the same thing for total profit to say what constitutes this total profit. Let's see the insight. And you can see profit by ship mode. Okay. So it's breaking down the profit for you. So peradventure, you want to see every detail about profit. Profit by country, the US has more profit by categories, profit by person, profit by order priority, and it's giving a summary too to say medium order priority account for majority of the profit. Okay, profit by country, by continent, by segment, etc., etc. So it went through that data and it took less than 30 seconds and it generated all the possible information about profit. How we got to 1.47 million, broke it down across all the important parameters in the report. So this is one very great or nice feature about using the dashboard. And one more thing is that you can actually also decide to pin one of these breakdown. So, for example, uh, profit by ship mode, that's what you want, or uh, profit by country, you can pin again. So, pin, and I will say I want to pin it to the new data dashboard and pin. So, if I exit the focus mode, I will find it here already. You see? So, which is really brilliant. Okay, so the stakeholders or the end users can do more with just a single tile that you've provided for them, and they can bring it here. However, we don't want this to be too clumsy. Okay, so I'm just going to remove it. But it shows very detailed information about every KPI that you have on your report page. So you delete tile to get rid of it. All right. So yeah, this is going to be very short. Just want to show you how this works. You can also subscribe to dashboard. Okay. So for example, somebody wants to be alerted or informed about every update on the dashboard. So the end user will keep subscribe, keep track of your data by subscribing to this dashboard. You see, it's saying when you subscribe to it, you will get uh information about every single changes, subscription name, recipient, class at extrovert, etc., etc. on save changes, and I will do save. So I'm going to get email on every changes that happen to that parameters to this very dashboard, which is carrying total profit and quantity ordered. So recipients, etc., etc., and it's going to send a schedule, date and time for me. Email will be sent daily, 12 noon, etc., etc. So if I say send now, for example, I want you to send an email now. So subscription sent. All right. So there will be an email already in our mailbox just about these two items. So this is very, very useful. I think one thing that I would also like to show you is setting alerts on your report. So for example, I want to be informed about our customers. So if we are gaining new customers, for example, whatever is happening to our customers, if you over on this card, you can click on set alerts, and if I hit set alerts, so this is the exact information. The card, this card, every time there is a new, maybe I want to be informed every time there is changes to this alert, to that card, the customer information. So you scroll down, and the measure, say measure is customer, that's the condition. The operator, what do you want when the customer becomes greater than 17,000 or greater than, or so you can use all of this logic to set how you want the alert to come to you. So for example, if it becomes less, so it means only get notified when you start losing customers. Okay. So or when it changes from a particular number to a particular number. So most time I just keep it on changes. So it means for every new customers, I want to be informed. So for example, I want to send a customized email to every new customers. With these settings, every time there's a new customers, I get information about them, and I can go ahead and say, okay, I want you to send me this alert by Teams or by email. So I will choose Teams and choose class extrovert. So I'll go ahead and do create, and it's saying your trigger is being added to Power BI. So this feature is data activator, and it's also a very powerful feature. So it says that my alert has been created. Open in data activator. I will open in data activator, and I will go ahead and see all the details, headline, customer changes, optional, etc., etc. So you have all of these details here, and you'll be able to see whenever there are changes. So currently it's showing us that we have 17,415 customers. So when changes happen, wherever the changes happen, you will see them. Okay. And let's try if this is going to work. I'll say send me a test alert. So I'll hit send test alert, and it says an alert has been sent. Okay. So I'll go to our Teams, and you see 11:55. Check that time. It's 11:55. Customer changes. So usually, if it was a real changes, for example, I change the number, it will tell me that customer changes to XYZ number from whatever I used to have. So this is how to create alerts on your report in Power BI, and how to create subscription as well. However, functionalities like subscription and alert, I think can be done with pro license of Power BI, which is what we are using. So I don't know if basic license would allow you to do subscription and alert, but I mean, you can create dashboard with basic license. You don't possibly need pro license to do that. Okay, let me know if you find this interesting in the comment section. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching. Share with your friends.